Welcome to Shiva's Annpurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking a sabzi that is healthy and tasty, called Sukhi Patta Gobhi Sabji. Please see our playlist for more videos. If you are looking for a low-calorie cruciferous vegetable that is rich in vitamin C and K, rich in fiber, supports the immune system, aids digestion, and helps reduce inflammation, this Patta Gobhi vegetable recipe will serve the purpose. Here's everything we'll need to make this light and healthy dish. Make sure you keep the ingredients ready. Finely chopped patta gobhi, onion, tomato, crushed garlic, chopped coriander, curry leaves, jaggery, salt, turmeric powder, hing powder, green peas, moong dal, kolhapuri chutney made up of garlic, onion, and chili, jeera, and mustard seeds. Let us now see how the healthy patta gobhi sabzi is made. Light up the gas stove. Take a kadhi and add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Let the oil heat for 2 to 3 minutes and add mustard seeds and jeera seeds. Now, add the chopped onion to the kadhi and mix it well so that the onion is fried until we see its color change to translucent. Add moong dal to the fried onions now. Note we had kept the moong dal soaked in water for some time. Here, we are adding turmeric powder, hing, and salt. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Add curry leaves to it. Also add green peas and a little coriander. Mix all the ingredients so that they are evenly coated. Let the green peas cook a little. Now add the chopped tomato, mix it, and let it fry. Now, we are adding kolhapuri chutney and small quantity of jaggery to it. The kolhapuri chutney is also called kanda lasu chutney, made up of garlic, onion, and chili. If you do not have this chutney, simply add chili powder to it. We need to mix all the chutneys so that it coats all the ingredients uniformly. It's time to add the chopped patta gobhi to the curry. When adding the patta gobhi, it may seem firm and occupy more space, but once heated, it will reduce in size. So add it generously and mix it slowly. After mixing it uniformly, place a lid on top of the curry. After a few minutes, open the lid and mix it again so that the masala does not stick to the bottom. Close the lid as we need the patta gobi to cook further. After another 2 minutes, open the lid and add coriander to the sabji and mix it for flavor. Our patta gobi ki sabji is now ready. Turn off the gas stove. It's time to serve the fresh and healthy patta gobi ki sabji. You will notice uniformity in the sabji, both in appearance and in taste. This freshly cooked sabzi will complete your healthy daily meal. It tastes delicious when served with hot chapati, fulka, or roti. Also, you can try a little with hot rice. We are sure the taste will impress you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.